Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are really doing well. So guys, if you are also facing a lot of hair problems like hair fall and dry and frizzy hair like me, then this video is definitely for you. And yeah, but before we dive into the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as it means a hell lot to me. And now, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, few months back I was facing a lot of hair fall issues, and by a lot I mean a lot. Okay, I could literally see my hair everywhere in my room, like on the floor, on my dressing table, everywhere. Okay, and I was actually freaking out, and in my head I was already going bald. That was the situation. So I thought of doing something for my hair because it needed some concern and care and all of those things. And that's the time when I got my hands on these. These are Laurik hair care shots, and by the way, I have already tried their skincare shots few months back, and it has shown good effects on my skin, and that's why I went with this brand again. Okay, now I got this 60 gram of packet that contains 15 sachets in it, and I got it for like 499 rupees, but I'll buy it even more because I'm going to continue it for few months. Okay, so now you will be asking what's so special about these hair care shots. The speciality is its ingredients. Okay, so the first ingredient is lauric acid, and we all know how beneficial lauric acid is for our hair. Lauric acid is something that is found in mother's milk, and mother's milk is, I don't need to tell you the qualities of it, right? And it is something which helps in preventing all types of infections and building our immunity. But as we grow up, we can't really get that from the milk, right? So from where we will get our lauric acid? We'll get it from the coconuts, because coconuts are the richest source of lauric acid, and coconut is a superfood. We all know that. Okay, and this product does not only have lauric acid in it, but it is combined with other 26 potent ingredients like almonds, olives, sweet potato, green tea, whey protein, green coffee seeds, pumpkin seeds, ginseng roots, stevia plant, rice and what not. Okay, you can see the complete ingredient list of the product here, and the best part is that it is preservative free, it is natural and 100% safe. It is clean label, US certified natural brand, and has cleared 400 plus contaminant tests. That means it is completely safe for us to consume. And I know it is safe because I have been trying it for months now, and the best thing is that it didn't irritated my gut, because this is the thing with me, that I have really sensitive gut, and most of the time when I try taking multivitamins or any kind of supplements, it will kind of irritate my gut. But that's not the thing that happened with this. I was completely fine, and actually I was enjoying using this. And of course you want to take it, but you need to follow up with a proper diet and good sleep, which is really important. So now how to consume it? Consuming it is pretty simple. All you need to do is cut it and eat it. It's that easy. It tastes exactly like milk powder or milk chocolate, and the best part is you can eat it at any time of the day. So it's that easy. So now coming to my experience, it's been almost 2 months since I started using these shots, and the difference that I can feel in my hair is that previously when I used to comb my fingers through my hair, I would get a lot of hair in my hand. Okay, but that's definitely not the case nowadays, which is actually a positive sign. I will not say that my hair fall has stopped completely. No, I am still facing hair fall issues, but it has definitely reduced a bit, which is good, and my hair is feeling healthier. And that's not just because of the product, but also because of the good diet that I'm maintaining. Good diet and good sleep is really important for the overall health of your body, for your hair, for your skin, everything, right? But these shots definitely work, and I have already tried their skincare shots. Now I have tried their hair care shots. I know that these products will take time, but they will show results, and these are natural and 100% safe as well. So it's a yay product from my side. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.